whilst jointly and severally ought reasonably to have known that the same form Republic of Kenya being the directors of Top Image Media Consultant and Value.
Now the court acknowledges that at this juncture, the accused persons are presumed to be innocent and therefore deserve to be released on reasonable bond terms. Now, accused number 6 shall be released on a cash bail of Kenya shillings 1 million or a bond of Kenya shillings 5 million, one surety like amount, the same to cover number 10. Accused number 5 shall also be released on similar terms, that is a cash bail of Kenya shillings 1 million or a bond of Kenya shillings 5 million, one surety like amount. Upon release, each should not interfere with witnesses. Accused number 6 should deposit her passport with the court and shall not leave the court's jurisdiction without leave.